Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sound. Now scroll down, click on Vibration and Haptics, and tap on this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to turn them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can also manage all of those options. By clicking on this switcher next to Ring Vibration, you can disable or enable incoming calls haptic feedback. If you decided to switch it on, you can also click on this switcher next to Vibrate First, then Ring Gradually. Following that, click on those switchers to turn on or off haptic feedback for notifications, alarms, touches, and even media. When you're ready, just go back. You can also click on More Settings at the bottom, and over here click on the switcher next to Always Show icon when in vibrate mode to manage this feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!